Hello everybody, today we make easy dish. Raspberry balsamic vinegar chicken. For the ingredient we got it. Chicken stock. I want to use thyme. The chicken, Thai chicken. This is raw butter. I got a shallot. Flour. I put already salt and black pepper. And we got this balsamic vinegar. This is the best vinegar for Italy. It make it in Modena. And this is my wine, Sette Stelle. Oh, Cabernet Sauvignon. Okay, now we start to do the chicken. And the chicken, what I do, I put a flour. Nice. Make sure to do good job, Pasquale. No worry about it. I do a good job when I eat. I will put it right over here. All right. And now, Pasquale, make sure to wash your hand because you touch the chicken. No worry about it. I wash my hand all the time when I'm cooking. Okay, now we got the shallot. And I want to chop. All right. And we put right over here on this dish. Okay, now we put the gas on. And we put a little oil, because I gotta do the chicken. And we use little butter too, together. Okay. Now we leave them, do the butter nice. Melt that butter. We leave warm up good the oil and the butter. Okay, the chicken when I put over here, I wanted a bit nice, beautiful color. And now we put the chicken. And we gotta make this nice, beautiful color, like I said. But make sure to not be too high the flame. Because if you put too high, it burns everything. Take a time and make a beautiful color for the chicken. Okay, now we did on one side and now we turn. You see how beautiful? And we leave it stay now the same thing to make a beautiful color on the other side. Okay, after that we put the shallot and we gotta use red wine. Okay, now we put the shallot. Alright, and we leave a cook the shallot now together, but make sure to not burn the shallot. Alright, now we load the gas. Everybody know why. When I load the gas, everybody know what I gotta do. Okay? For the chicken and for me. Okay, first thing, I want me to drink my wine. Alright, let me taste. It's really good. You see, I taste first the wine to make sure the chicken, you gotta say to me, thank you very much. Okay? Alright, now we put a little wine. Okay, you see the shallot, the color, beautiful. All right. Now we turn it the other way. I want to take the wine both sides. And I like to pour a little thyme inside. Okay, give a really good taste. Now the wine, you gotta evaporate all the wine. And what I do now, I turn it again back the same way like before. I got a chicken stock, and we use some chicken stock. Okay, I gotta put in the oven. Okay. Now we leave it boil the chicken stock what I put. Okay, now turn the gas off and let's put it in the oven. It smells so good already. Okay. And for 20 minutes, you gotta stay in the oven. Okay, now we take it out and we see what it look like. Oh, look how beautiful, huh? And now we take the chicken out and I put it right on this dish. Okay. Good. Okay, let's put the gas on now over here. And now we put raspberry balsamic vinegar. It's really, really good. And we put over here, got this after you gotta put it on the chicken. Okay. Now we leave it warm up really good. Okay, we put a little bit more vinegar. This is so good. All right. Okay. And we give a nice turn. Okay, now let's put the chicken back. Okay. It's really good. Look at that. And now look how nice the balsamic vinegar. The raspberry, it's really good. Okay, now it's time of the test. It look really, really good. We put a little salt. Oh, look at that. Thank you very much. Really good. E salute e cincin everybody. I hope somebody make this dish. It's delicious, especially with the vinegar we got over here. It's really good. Salute e cincin everybody. And we see next time. Cin cin. Salute.